Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can limit parallel downloads or uploads in your Mega app account. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the desktop app, to the web application of Mega, log into your account and navigate to your account settings in the top right here. And next guys, navigate to transfers on the left hand side. Here guys, you will see the storage that is currently being used for your account, a transfer that is being used. And then guys, below you'll see the upload and download settings. And here you can, for example, set a number of parallel upload connections as well as for download connections. It was set to between 7 or 8 here for me, and 4 here. But you can use that slider and find your set the number of connections used for downloading, right? And do the same for these uploads. And that's basically it guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.